The world is a world of forces, and they work according to formulae and laws that some of them we understand and some of them we don't. Just like in science, how we research nature. Some of it we understand, some of it we don't. But the approach to the work, to the research, to the gathering of knowledge and working with it has to be a healthy approach, just like how we do it by nature. So what does the Kabbalah give you? It gives you the vessels or the tools. The approach remains a scientific approach. It only provides you with the tools, like that microscope that I can use to see the forces of bestowal. So I myself have to have the force of bestowal in order to identify and measure those forces. So that's what it's given to me. But after I have that force and I develop it and using it like a device, like a microscope, say, I can tune it in specific ways, and I know, say it's not a regular microscope, but like those specific microscopes that can allow you to analyze matter in a specific aspect and frequency and detect specific phenomena according to how much you can use that tool and how much you have it within you. That's what it is. So what we're doing is we're turning ourselves into that tool of research. But the approach and the research itself is completely scientific. When there is a part of my will to receive that can shine with light, it is called my soul. In the beginning, it's small. And later, you continue to correct the entire oviyut, coarseness, until it fully turns to light. So one should describe these things within himself and find all these discernments. That's our work. There's no other work. Now, for this inner work, I seemingly become connected to external people and a group and dissemination work, but if you look at it, identify it correctly, it's also within me. The group is inside of me, and dissemination is inside of me, and the world is inside of me, and it only seems to me that it's outside of me, but it's me. It's my qualities. Those parts seem to me like they're not mine, and it's deliberate, purposeful, in order for me to be able to work against my ego, to have my ego in front of me. That is called help made against. So that I describe the major things, the important things, as if they are not mine, so that it'll be clear to me, obvious to me, how to work with them. Because everything was within me to begin with, I wouldn't be able to be hateful towards it. And since it's outside of me, I'm hateful towards it, and that's a great help. That's why the breaking happened, and it allows us to feel our own parts as alien, foreign parts. What are we hating eventually? It seems to me that I'm hating others, but I'm really hating my own will to receive. And it seems to me as others. You only have to turn that switch within.